Dear students, yesterday we had an introduction to English language. Today I shall introduce paper 2, literature in English. Yesterday I told you about theory and project work. For the first time, starting with this year, you have project work in English 2 also. So 80 marks is for theory and 20 marks for project. Here the project is somewhat similar to what you had in 10th class. So I need not explain to you much. What are the books prescribed? As usual, you are familiar with literature. You have 3 books: the drama, the short story, and the poem. We have Shakespearean drama, The Tempest. The Tempest. A.W. Verity edition, Morning Star, prepared by Xavier Pinto. We have to do acts 1, 2 and 3. There are 5 acts altogether. In class 11th we have to do acts 1, 2 and 3. Acts 4 and 5 we will be doing in 12th class. Then we have the short stories. Echoes. Echoes, a collection of ISE short stories. Echoes, a collection of ISE short stories. Evergreen publications. In this there are 10 stories. Last year we had 5 and 5. 5 for 11th class, another 5 for 10th class. But this year, because of COVID-19, they have reduced 1. Therefore, you have to do only 4 stories. Unlike in 10th class, they are not in the order. In the sense, 10th class you had the first 5 short stories for 9th, then the last 5 for 10th class. Here it's not like that. They have selected at random. So, you will have to do Salvatore by W. Somerset Maugham, Fritz by Satyajit Ray, Quality by John Galsworthy, and the Chinese Statue by Jeffrey Archer. So these are the 4 short stories you will be doing. Then you have next the poetry book. Reverie, a collection of ISE poems. Reverie, a collection of ISE poems. This is also published by Evergreen. Just like short stories, we have 10 poems, out of which we had to do 5 last year. This year we'll have to do only 4. They are The Dolphins by Karen and Duffy, The Gift of India by Sarojini Naidu, John Brown by Bob Dylan, and The Spider and the Fly by Mary Botham Hobbit. So these are the 4 poems you have to do. So this is a prescribed test for you. Shakespearean drama, The Tempest, first 3 acts, 4 short stories, 4 poems. Now we will go to the examination pattern. There is considerable difference in the pattern if you are comparing to 9th and 10th class. This is the theory. You have two sections, section A and section B. Section A consists of 3 questions. They are extracts taken from the drama, The Tempest. You will be asked 3, you have to write 2. 10 marks each, so 20 marks. So what is the difference? Last year and in 9th class, you had only extracts. The entire question paper consisted of extracts or passages or verses. And you were asked to answer a number of questions. First they give the extract, then you were answering the questions. Your entire paper was like that. So you had earlier 8, out of 8 you had to write, and each one carried 16 marks. Now here is different. Here you have only 3 extras asked. From the extracts you have to write 2. It's compulsory, and 20 marks. That's all. Now section B consists of short answer questions. Though we call it short answer questions, they are a bit longer. You have to write more because each one carries 15 marks. So you have to write quite a bit. In section B, of course, you have questions from drama, from short story, and from poetry. You have to write at least 1 from drama, 1 from short story, and 1 from poetry. So already you have covered 3. Then the 4th one you can select from any of the 3 sections. So question number 1 is extract. You have A, B, C. Out of that you write 2. Then question number 2 and 3 are from drama. Question number 4, 5 and 6 are from short stories. Question number 7, 8 and 9 are from poetry. Then I want to say a word about your workbook also. You have workbooks for drama, short story and poem. Last year also you had. So what is the difference between these two, 10th class workbook and 11th class workbook? The difference is that in 10th class you had only extracts in the workbook. You are given a verse, a passage. Then a number of questions are asked, you are answering them. Here the pattern is entirely different. Only in drama you have the same model. Drama, the Tempest, same pattern is kept up. That is, in the workbook, you will be doing assignments based on the passages or verses. Whereas in short story and poem, you will not have any extract. You will be asked to write only short answers. In this way, it will be easier for you because even if the story is long, you will be asked only 3 or 4 short answers. You will have to answer those. So the difficult part will be you got yourself tuned to write extracts to answer questions that follow the passage or a verse. But here now you will have to train yourself to write short essays. When you say short answer, they are not very short, should be long because it carries 15 marks. So you have to get used to writing short answers. That will be a bit difficult. So whatever you study, either story or poem, the minute details may not be very important because extracts are not there, but you must be able to summarize. able to characterize the characters, the theme, and for the poetry, the literary devices used. All these things you should know. So you have to slowly start practicing so that you'll be able to answer well. So you don't worry, it's going to be tough. 11th class is going to be tough. And another difficulty is that earlier years we used to begin classes much early. Now we are already late. Now within short time you may have to complete a vast syllabus. And in drama there are only 5 acts. And the last 2 acts are very small ones. Only those 2 acts will be left for 12th class. So we have to cover up a huge portion. And stories, since they are reduced to 1 each, it may be easy. But even then, you'll have to work hard. Otherwise, you will find it very difficult. So let's start now itself seriously. Start reading the drama, short stories and poems. Get yourself familiarized with these things. And meanwhile, you'll be having classes in the form of videos or whatever it may be. That will help you to prepare well for your exams. Wish you all the best. Thank you.